Are you looking? With increased awareness of hygiene and the rise of resin-based hobbies, the demand for UV light boxes has soared. From sanitizing tools and electronics to curing 3D resin prints, these devices appeal to professionals, hobbyists, and households alike. In this roundup, we evaluate the best UV light boxes based on UV effectiveness, build quality, capacity, ease of use, and overall value. List 1. UV Light Sanitizer. UV Box Sanitizer. Conveniently sanitizes in minutes. Large capacity. No cleaning required. This UV Light Sanitizer is a practical choice for anyone seeking quick and easy disinfection at home or in a small office. With a large capacity, it can fit phones, wallets, keys, and even small beauty tools. It uses UVC light to kill up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria in just a few minutes. What makes this box especially appealing is the no cleaning required feature. Just load your items and let the UV do the work. The build is solid and modern, with a sleek lid and user-friendly controls. It's ideal for daily use and a great addition to hygiene-conscious households. While it lacks professional-grade intensity, it offers excellent value for general, everyday sanitization tasks. List 2. UV Light Sanitizer Box. Large, professional-grade, fast UVC sanitizer cabinet for cleaning salon tools, designed with professionals in mind. This large, high-powered UV sanitizer cabinet is ideal for salons, spas, or clinics. Its professional-grade UVC light offers thorough and rapid disinfection, making it a trusted solution for sterilizing combs, scissors, and other salon tools. The interior is roomy, and the durable stainless steel build provides long-lasting reliability. This model also features a reflective inner chamber to enhance UV exposure, ensuring complete sanitization. Unlike basic models, it includes industrial-strength bulbs that operate quickly and efficiently, although it does generate a bit more heat and requires more space. Setup is straightforward and there's minimal maintenance involved. List 9. Bame Nokom UVC Light 2-pack 38-watt UV sanitizer for mold. The Bame Nokom UVC Light Set is an excellent solution for those tackling mold and airborne bacteria in larger areas. Unlike closed boxes, these are freestanding UV bulbs that radiate 38 watts of UVC power, sufficient to sanitize rooms, basements, or storage areas. Each pack includes 2 units, making it cost-effective for coverage of multiple rooms or a larger space. Equipped with time settings and remote control, these units are easy to use and ideal for unoccupied spaces due to UVC exposure risks. They excel at air and surface purification, particularly useful for allergy sufferers or anyone living in high humidity environments prone to mold. List number. Tower UV Light Sanitizer and Ultraviolet Lamp with Remote Control. UVC Cleaner for home, room, office. The Tower UV Light Sanitizer combines powerful germicidal action with a sleek, upright design suitable for home or office use. This tower-style lamp disperses UVC light in 360 degrees, effectively sanitizing surfaces and the air within a medium-sized room. It includes a remote control and timer, adding safety and convenience when operating in an empty room. Unlike enclosed boxes, this unit is designed for whole room disinfection. It's especially handy for frequently used spaces like bedrooms, offices, or small clinics. Setup is simple and it requires minimal storage space. Be aware though that direct exposure is harmful. People and pets must vacate the room during use. List number. UV Light Curing Box, Curing Enclosure 400 long, 380 W 400H, millimeter large curing cabinet, 365 to 460 nanometers UV light, tailored for hobbyists and professionals in 3D printing. This UV Light Curing Box, top-tier tool for curing resin prints. It supports UV wavelengths between 365 to 460 nanometers, which is compatible with most resin brands. The spacious interior accommodates larger models, while the reflective walls and consistent light distribution ensure even curing without underexposed areas. Unlike sanitizers, this unit is built specifically for curing rather than disinfection. It features a ventilated, light-tight design to protect users from UV exposure while maintaining optimal curing conditions. Setup is simple, and many users appreciate the quiet, stable operation.